Hello, my name is Connor Malayson, and in the last video of the actual creation of the game, we are going to work on sounds. Now, our game, you must understand, is completely finished, the gameplay of it, but the sounds are not in place, and the sounds would really help to make the audience fall in love with this game. They play it, they're like, oh, this is kind of bland. There's no bleeps, there's no bloops, there's nothing. Then you add some bleeps and you add some bloops and you add some losers going da-na-na-na, and they're like, yes, buy this game. Get it for $60 free. Okay, so let's create some sounds. And 3 ways to create it, of course, as always. This button right here, resources, create sound, or right click and create sound. Here we go. We are going to oh, I don't want that maximized. We are going to create a sound, and we are going to name it beep. Beep. Actually, we'll name it bounce, so it's a bit clearer to the programmer. Load sound, and we're going to use, if your directory is still in the sounds of Game Maker, then you can just find this really easily. But for those of you who don't know, to get to this area where it shows the sounds, you go to Computer, Local Disk, Program Files, Game Maker 8, Sounds, and there we go. We're here. We're going to use the beep 1 sound for the bounce. And you can preview it with this play button. I want you to know something. This program I use to record my screen doesn't have the audio from the computer for you. It only has the audio from the microphone, so you won't be able to hear any of the sounds unless you actually make this game for yourself. So let's create another sound and name it lose. So there's only 2 sounds. There's the bounce sound and the lose sound. And these were in the example game, but you probably just couldn't hear them. We're going to use lose 2 because that's the one I like best. Okay, perfect. We have that. The sounds are created, but that's not all. We need to program them into our game. So we'll go to Objects, go to Player, and when he collides with his enemy, we want a sound to play along with this game over message. So let's choose sounds, play sound, move it to the top. If you do not move it to the top, it won't work, because what will happen is, what happens here is, let's say we moved it here. What would happen is it displays the message, game over, and then it waits for you to press OK before playing this sound. And the moment you press OK anyways, it ends the game. So you may get to hear like a frame of this sound, and then it ends the game. So we're going to need to get up here. You can see what I mean if you try it out for yourself. But here we go. We're going to make it the lose sound because he has touched the enemy, and that is a loser move. That's that for the thing. Press OK. Enemy. When he bounces against the border, this collision border, we can put a sound here. Bounce. And unlike the other one, it doesn't matter where you place this on the actions. Okay. We don't want to, I chose not to make it beep when he hits another enemy, because then there would just be beeps everywhere. Because, I mean, there is so many bouncing in this game. So much bouncing in this game. I think that it's enough to just have it when it bounces off the border. Okay. Press OK. That is it. Our game is finished. That's it. Let's save it. Boom. File name. Let's name it the game, man. And I made my example game named the game, so I'm going to replace this file. Perfect. And that is it. In the next video, we will play our finished game. Thank you for watching.